How to change language in Yahoo Mail app. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, open up your Play Store. In here, search for Yahoo Mail if you have not installed in your device. If it's installed and up to date, click on the Open button given to you. If you have not signed in into your account, make sure that you are signed in. You can even create a brand new Yahoo Mail account if you wish for. To change a language in Yahoo Mail, it is pretty simple. Tap on the user icon in your left-hand corner. Head over to Settings. Click on Manage Account. Tap on Account Info. Select Personal Info. Then, confirm your identity using PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once you have gotten an access, scroll down and locate Language. Tap on Update Language. From here, select a preferred language from the list of options. Once done, just tap on Save Updates. By this way, you'll be able to change your language in your Yahoo Mail app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.